You're probably gonna wait for like 2 more minutes, but yeah, get started soon. I'm probably just gonna go now and start with the talk. I'll let anyone else in if they come in. So basically today we're just gonna be going over what our topic specifically is and what our plans are for this summer and what we hope to do next school year as well. So yeah. So first I'm gonna go over what exactly system design is. And so basically it's just the theory behind the whole architecture of a product and like the layout of how you're going to actually design it. And this is really important because it allows us to customize our application for what we specifically want to do. So for example, I'm going to talk about the image on the right. You can see like an API giving directions to the certain components that will store information in the databases. There's just a simple diagram and it shows just an example of what we might go over sometime during the school year. And it says, so system design is really vital to software engineering, but it's actually it can be hard to get into. And so we want to kind of make this easier to go into by promoting active engagement and teamwork during our club meetings that will occur during the school year. However, during the summer, our plans will be a little different, but we'll go over that later during this presentation.
Right, so you may be wondering why learn system design? Well, one of the main components about engineering isn't just building, but it also involves a lot of creativity. So through our club, we're going to offer a lot of creative freedom and planning, which we think is essential to the functionality and success of any type of application we build. So as mentioned, the quote, if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. Planning design of your system is really essential. And through our club, we're going to help people learn the fundamentals of system design, improve their design and communication skills, and kind of like let them build their ideas. So it's common misconception that computer science is like mostly coding. So our club is going to aim to help its members create and optimize applications using our concepts that we teach.
Okay, so what do we believe we can bring to the MSJ community? We're the only club that goes like really in depth about the theory behind the development of software. And while most focus on like the specific coding or implementation, we actually really place emphasis on the planning part. And there is going to be an emphasis of hands-on experience during our in-school meetings. And we really yeah, as I mentioned before, it's really important to highlight the importance of an exoskeleton and practical application design. So currently we believe this is not provided. So we believe that that's what we bring to this school.
All right, so next I'll be going over some of the main topics and materials that we'll be intending to teach our members throughout the summer and throughout the school year. So as we mentioned before, Circulum aims to help members scale, create, and optimize their applications efficiently. So for scaling, members can look forward to concepts like load balancing and cap theorem. for creating topics such as architectural design, APIs, and databases. And finally, for optimization, we can apply knowledge from caching, asset durability, and data hashing, among others. So with handling data, these are just some of the main forms of system design, which are fundamental to anyone who are trying to build a system, which is basically like a set of components and application.
Okay, so we are going to have meetings this summer and for the meetings following in the following school year. So unlike the meetings during the school years, these meetings will cover more interesting topics that hopefully will get the people like interested in system design and help them serve us like booster tank to get people ready for the lectures during the school years, as those meetings will be slightly more technical and more in depth than the meetings we will have this time. So the summer's meeting schedule is here in the slides. So for June 21st, we have the intro to system design on what it is. That's the meeting we are having right now. So and there's another one in July 2nd, how does cookies work? It's all about web protocols. And the next one, how the Instagram satisfies users, load balancing and scalability. And the next one, how Google pops like zillion results in a second. These are all about the databases and how they optimize the indices from website to website. And finally, there's YouTube's recommendation system. That's probably the most infamous topic we're going to have this summer. So it's about data hashing, and hopefully the users will get to know how the YouTube algorithm work, and maybe we'll cover some machine learning topics, but that's all tentative right now. So those are the schedule for our meeting during the school year, and we will have club meetings in B34, but it's bi-weekly on Thursday in Mr. Master's room during lunch. This is also tentative. We are probably going to follow the schedule, but we are not 100% sure. We also host virtual workshops in weeks where we do not have the meetings, and we allow the members to get into Zoom calls or have a Discord chat with the club officers to get help with the projects they'll be working on. The reason we are doing this meetings bi-weekly is because we believe in project-based learning. So like after each meeting, we'll have like projects for the members to do, and hopefully they will like get the knowledge they gain to put into practice and help them develop critical thinking skills. And the meetings will cover both theoretical and practical applications of the system design. We also have interactive demonstrations of those applications of the topic during those meetings. We will also host guest lectures and find and embrace members of the community who are very passionate about this subject and hopefully allow them to share their experience and understanding as well.
All right, so for our club, mainly for the social media, we'll be doing outreach in Discord, Facebook, and Instagram. So mainly all of our materials and announcements will be made on our Discord, which I know that you guys are mostly on, but for those who are not on it, be sure to click on this Discord link we have here, and also our Facebook, Instagram. And we'll be actually recording these lectures and posting them on our YouTube, just for those who have not did not have enough time to attend this meeting. You guys can see this on your own time. And although today's lecture is quite short, this is just basic intro on what we'll do this summer. And we'll be excited to work with you guys on more advanced and interesting topics.
Yeah, I'll be putting links to this all in our announcements, as well as the YouTube channel that we're planning on uploading these meetings to later. All right, so that's pretty much it for this intro meeting. And does anyone have any questions for us? All good. Okay. I'll probably just put all the social media that we're going to be using to contact you guys in announcements. But other than that, there's going to be another meeting next week, and hope to see y'all there. Pretty sure there's nothing else. All right. Thank you guys for supporting us and coming out to our first meeting. We appreciate it. And yeah, that's pretty much it, I think.